places today.
Waves of rain that have been coming through all day, Mike. No real area that has seen rain from start to finish as we expected, just kind of these little bursts of it here or there. Steadiest rain along the coastline in Connecticut, parts of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts, and then in Maine we also had some steadier rain. We're still adding to the totals tonight with more sporadic showers, a few downpours, and even a couple of isolated thunderstorms from here on out. So if you're stepping out tonight, light jacket and the umbrella will be a good idea. But keep in mind, the umbrella will be fighting the wind in many cases, so that might be a little bit more troublesome. Here's all the energy back to the west. You see, we just have that broken area of rain coming through at times. The more organized severe weather is back to our south and west. And look at the blues. That's your snow through the Great Lakes. That's colder air trying to move in, and we will flip over to snow in the mountains of northern New England tonight. So where do we go from here? Again, some breaks of sunshine and clearing every once in a while through the early evening hours, and then deeper through the nighttime hours. We'll clear out at the coastline. It stays mild tonight, but in northern New England, we have a better chance of some downpours and storms. A little more energy holding on longer here, so you see the waves of downpours, an embedded thunderstorm a possibility, but it's really after midnight where the clearing commences. Look how beautiful it will be by tomorrow morning in southern New England, and there's your snow that will be falling in the mountains of northern New England. Pretty light stuff, and look at the numbers. These are basically the highs tomorrow, coming in very early, and then that very strong wind blows during the day, sending in the colder conditions. The wind will be very gusty tomorrow all across New England. Some isolated power outages will be a possibility. So once more, high temperatures tomorrow happening during the morning with sunshine in southern New England, more clouds and snow showers ending in the mountains. Temperatures will drop steadily through the afternoon. And the reason why is that wind out of the west on the backside of this storm. So here are your snow showers over the terrain. They dissipate during the afternoon. It's gusty for all of us. Even colder air settles over the top of us by Friday. So most of us are in the 30s at that point. At the same time, we're watching a clipper down to the south. Now this will miss us to the south, but some of the energy will just protrude enough into New England where a few snow showers will get into southern New England during the day. Look carefully. See a couple of blips here, not a lot, but a few flakes in the air with the chilly conditions on Friday. And then the coldest of the cold is here on Saturday. This will be a shock to the system. Some of us waking up to temperatures below zero during the morning in northern New England. And by afternoon, teens for high temperatures in single digits in northern New England. Southern New England, Boston, Worcester, low 20s for highs after starting in the teens. I'm telling you, that is something you are really going to notice because it's been so warm around here lately. Fortunately, we bounce out of that pretty quickly on Sunday, back into the 40s by Monday. Next week, watching a couple of systems, one Tuesday and Wednesday. The next Friday into Saturday, temperatures look to be back close to, if not a little above average, more what we're used to so far late this winter and early in the spring season.
It is the mistake that rocked Hollywood. What